When it comes to improving comfort, security, and energy efficiency, few upgrades make as much of an impact as a new door. But for Baltimore homeowners, how that door is installed is just as important as the door itself. Professional door installation ensures that your new entry, patio, or interior door performs the way it should, especially in a city with highly variable weather, historic homes, and unique architectural styles. Whether you're upgrading for style, security, or home value, here are the top benefits of choosing professional door installation for your Baltimore residents. A perfect, weather-tight fit for Baltimore's climate. Baltimore experiences hot, humid summers, chilly winters, and frequent rain. A poorly installed door can let in drafts, moisture, and outdoor pollutants, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable home. Professional installers ensure the frame is square and level. The door fits perfectly without gaps. High-quality weather stripping is applied. Thresholds are tightly sealed. This precision results in a door that keeps your home protected from temperature swings and moisture, two of the biggest concerns for Baltimore homeowners. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Improper door installation can lead to energy loss, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. A poorly sealed or misaligned door allows warm air to escape during winter and cool air to leak out during summer. This increases energy use and drives up monthly bills. With professional installation, your new door helps minimize air leaks, maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduce heating and cooling expenses, improve overall home efficiency. Energy-efficient doors paired with expert installation can make a noticeable difference in your comfort and utility bills year-round. Enhanced home security and peace of mind. Your doors are one of the most important security features in your home. If a door isn't installed correctly, even by a small margin, it may not latch properly, making it easier to force open. Professional installers reinforce security by ensuring the door aligns perfectly with the frame. Locks and deadbolts function as intended. Hinges and hardware are installed securely. The structure resists forced entry. Baltimore homeowners benefit greatly from improved safety, particularly in busy urban neighborhoods or older homes with outdated hardware. Longer lifespan and better performance. A door that isn't installed properly can begin showing issues quickly, including sticking, sagging, or warping. These problems not only affect daily use but also shorten the lifespan of the door. Professional installation ensures smooth, reliable operation. Proper alignment for long-term durability. Reduced wear and tear on hinges and hardware. Optimal performance in all weather conditions. This is especially important for Baltimore homeowners living in historic properties where structural settling may occur. Protection against moisture and mold. Baltimore's humidity and rain can cause moisture damage if a door isn't sealed correctly. Water intrusion can lead to mold growth, rot, and structural problems around the door frame. Expert installers protect your home by using proper flashing, waterproof sealants, moisture-resistant materials, correct installation techniques. This prevents long-term water damage, saving homeowners from costly repairs. Increased curb appeal and home value. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A professionally installed door enhances your curb appeal by ensuring the door looks polished and complementary to the home's architectural style. Benefits include a more finished, high-quality appearance, proper alignment, and attractive symmetry. A standout feature that boosts property value. Baltimore homeowners looking to sell also benefit, as new, well-installed doors are a major selling point. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Many door manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. DIY or low-quality installation could void the warranty completely. Professional installation ensures full warranty protection coverage for defects or future issues. Peace of mind knowing your investment is secure. A smart investment for Baltimore homeowners. Professional door installation offers far more than convenience. It enhances your home's security, efficiency, comfort, and appearance. In a city with diverse architecture and unpredictable weather, trusting an experienced installer is the best way to ensure your new door performs beautifully for years to come. If you're upgrading your home's doors, professional installation is the key to maximizing durability, functionality, and long-term value.